Thursday, August 10th. And I'm just going to give you some reminders tonight. We've gotten a lot of yarns in, but I'm not going to show you another new yarn. I've already shown you two, so we do have some good new yarns, but I just want to do some reminders. Tomorrow morning, 10:30, Allison is doing her stocking class. There is some space left, and I just wanted to remind you, if you're free tomorrow, join her for a knitting your Christmas stocking. It is a $60 class. There are 4 classes. It starts tomorrow, 10:30 to 12:30, every other Friday for August and September. So 2 in August, 2 in September. And it's all based off this pattern from Ann Norling. And you can either do the snowman or the Santa or the snowman. Everything is included in the kit. The kit is, what is the kit? The kit is, I'm not even sure, 65, 70 something, I'm not sure. Anyway, $60 for the class, and if you want the kit, you can buy the yarn you need, or you can get the kit and you can make 2 stockings, 1 snowman and 1 Santa for sure out of the kit. So if that's something that's on your list of to-dos, do it. Tomorrow, Friday. Yeah, Friday, 10:30, stocking. All right. Also, Sunday, the art of color. Don't let it pass you by. It's going to be a fun day. I've already tried to convince you. You need to treat yourself. I'm looking forward to seeing the ones who have signed up, and I hope that maybe there'll be a couple more people that will sign up and at the last minute and say, yes, I deserve that. I deserve that day, because you will not be sorry. Promise. Also, this is the last weekend for our semi-annual clearance sale for the spring. Well, spring. Yeah, it is spring. Summer. Anyway, summer, not spring, summer. And so tomorrow and Friday, additional markdowns will be made. So, and it will be over on Sunday. We're going to take it all, put it all away on Monday. So none to be had after Saturday. So remember that, additional markdowns tomorrow and Saturday. Hopefully we can get it all done. Probably not, but come on in. We'll tell you what the price is. It'll be good. All right. Kids camp, last day of kids camp tomorrow. I am in charge of felted soaps. We're going to have a big time. We're going to be rubbing and scrubbing some bars of soap and wrapping them in unspun wool, and they will come out absolutely beautiful. I'm excited. It's a fun thing to do. It makes a lovely gift. So we might be ending up doing some of that for bigger kids too, like grown-ups. We may have some fun craft classes coming up. It's been very successful. So anyway, kids have been real good. All right. I think that's all I've got. We had a huge storm this morning, blew through. I think there's another one coming this way, but it's my weather report. You know how it goes. All right. I will see you tomorrow.